Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Lauren here at Just Believe. As you can see, I'm trading the Chelsea-Arsenal match. I'm laying the draw again. I've just gone into the market at odds of 3.25 with a £10 stake and a £22.50 liability. I wasn't 100% sure which market I was going to do on this match today, but the odds on the draw, the starting odds on the draw were so good, I said to myself, yeah, it's got to be a lay the draw. So yeah, as you can see, it's early on in the match. A lot of my other videos, click the link above if you'd like to see them, show that I often lay the draw at half time, but with the odds being as low as what they were, I said to myself, yeah, this is definitely a first half lay the draw trade. So that's what I've done, and yeah, I'm just going to show you a very quick video on what I've done on this match today. Premier League match, Chelsea-Arsenal. Chelsea trying to solidify their top 4 position, Arsenal trying to just play out the rest of the season and do as best as they can with the matches that are left. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. You'll see in just a second things are about to change, and yeah, I will let you enjoy that and be back in a minute.
It's Emil Smith-Rowe who scored, but it was presented to them by Jorginho, who, with a back pass, he hangs his head in shame in the back of the net because it was going in. It was a terrific goal-saving, desperate lunge by Arrizabalaga, who clawed it out, but Aubameyang kept it alive, pulled it back, and Smith-Rowe could not miss.
As you can see, Arsenal have just taken the lead, and the odds, the lay the draw odds haven't moved that much, so I managed to get in at odds of 3, and the odds have gone up to 3.4 because Arsenal have scored. You'll see it happen in a minute. Here you go. So what I wanted to do at this point was I wanted to increase my stake on the lay the draw, because one, it's quite early on in the match, and you know, there's obviously a good possibility, or probability even, that more goals would be scored. So you can see me here just having a play around, trying to get down to back odds of 3. And what I'm going to do is put another £10 in, which would take my liability from £22.50 up to £42.50, but it would mean that I would make 20 if either team went on to win. So that's what you see I've got there. So I'm just going to wait for that to get matched, and you'll see what happens in just a sec. So here we are at half time. It's still 0-1 to Arsenal, and the odds have come down slightly to 3.2, so I'm feeling quite confident that I will get matched at 3 soon enough at least. And now we are at, we've managed to get matched, so we've got £20 on either team winning, £42.50 if it is a draw. We're now into the 73rd minute, and you can see that the odds are rising up to now 3.95 and 4, which means I've got £3.36 or £3.96, sorry, if I cashed out now.
There was Paul. That was a collision with Tierney, and Mason Mount has stayed down. And the cross now comes in from Ziyech, and it hits the crossbar on the follow-up. It's the crossbar again from Giroud. Chelsea so unlucky right at the death.
I decided not to cash out and ride the green a little bit longer, but as you just heard, Chelsea came really close to equalising. So here on the screen you can see I'm playing around with laying Arsenal to see how I can reduce my liability and still keep a profit. But in the end I said, do you know what? They just announced 6 minutes of extra time. Chelsea are trying to solidify top 4. Arsenal are just not very good at the moment. So I decided to cash out completely, as you can see on the screen. Here we go again, guys. Another simple, quick trade-in video on Betfair. If you like what you've seen, you know what to do. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.